Hi mga ka-artist, that's me RA. For this video, I would like to thank Mayor D&D. Thank you so much, Mayor, for my Brio webcam. Nakasama niyan, of course, in pink color as well. You know, my favorite color, mga ka-artistas out there. Thank you for generosity, Mayor D&D. I gotcha. Thank you so much. Can you see the price? And here's the receipt for the transparency. Thank you so much, Mayor. So let me try this and let me use this today on my YouTube live streaming. Yan siya, super sealed pa. Ito ang kanyang, where you can clip the, anong tawag doon? the handle itself to the laptop for you to use this. Yan, so ganyan siya. Mamaya ipakita natin. Then, wala sa bundok. Tanggalin na natin to. Diba? Yan. Knock, sana all. So, there you go. Ito siya, mga ka-artista. Try natin ilagay. Let me clip. And, let's insert. Then, live testing. Kita po ba? So, ayan siya, Nax. Ang ganda, Pak. Ikaw ba yan, RA? So, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, Mayor D&D. May God bless you more. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. I love you.